This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to save colors in IBISPAINT. This skill is super helpful for maintaining consistency across your digital artwork. We'll go through the simple steps to ensure your favorite shades are always just a tap away. Imagine never losing that perfect blue or vibrant red again. It's a straightforward process that will significantly speed up your creative workflow, allowing you to focus more on your art and less on color matching. Let's dive in. First, let's locate the color window. On your IBISPAINT canvas, look for the small square icon, typically found near the top or bottom of your screen. Tapping this icon will open up the full color selection interface. Here, you'll find different ways to choose your colors, including a color wheel, sliders for precise adjustments, and various preset palettes. Getting familiar with this window is your first step towards mastering color management within the app. Once you've found that perfect shade, it's time to save it. After selecting your color using the wheel or sliders, switch over to the My Colors tab within the color window. You'll see an empty space or existing saved colors. Simply tap the plus icon, often located at the bottom or side of this tab, and your chosen color will be instantly added to your personal collection. It's that easy to build your custom palette. Now that you've saved your favorite colors, let's put them to use. Whenever you need one of your custom shades, just open the color window and navigate back to the My Colors tab. All your saved hues will be neatly displayed there. A single tap on any of these colors will instantly select it as your active brush color. This streamlined process saves you valuable time and ensures perfect color consistency throughout all your artistic creations. Happy painting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.